But as you can see, I missed it, or I went on the wrong road, and I should be a little bit on the other road. There's nowhere to set up my phone, so I'm just hoping you can hear me, and I'm going to do mountain pose right away because there's literally like minutes of even just that little bit of sun. So this is a little driveway to a fishing spot at Otts Park. You have to come all the way around the factory and hug the right side, which looks like a parking lot, but it's really a little road to get here. Okay, so that was mountain pose. This is palm pose. Again, when I'm breathing in, I'm trying to let my belly fill up with air. And then tucking my belly button to my spine when I'm breathing out. Okay, and I'm going to do the downward dog today. Do you hear the birds? Okay, so the downward dog, and then I'm going to move my glasses so I don't step on them. And then I'm going to do the goddess pose. So again, my feet are supposed to be pointed outward, and I'm getting my feet at a wider angle. I don't know if you can actually see my feet or if it's too dark. Maybe if I back up the light a little bit, I don't know if that helps or makes it worse. Anyway, I am able to get my feet. I can still see myself in the video a little bit, a silhouette anyway. And then to go down like this, and then put my arms. So my goal here is mostly to focus on my upper body, and my bottom part will eventually come, but I'm trying to keep my chest opened up and my arms back, so that's where my focus is. My jaw relaxed, my head back over my shoulders. My thighs feel like they're on fire, but I did 4 breaths. What was the other one? I left my notes in the car. I left my van running because I thought I was going to use my headlights, but I'm down a hill, so that's not helping. Last pose. So I did mountain pose. I didn't bring my notes. I got to count it out. Palm pose and goddess pose, downward dog I did, and now I have to do, or I get to do, triangle pose. So then I think my feet are angled out, and ooh, I can see myself a little better. So this is the 5-pointed star pose, which I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'll just do 1 breath. And then you go down, and you're touching the calf and looking up at the hand. and then back up into star pose. One breath, tucking back into the spine, putting my opposite hand down on the calf, looking up at my hands, trying to reach really tall and look up at my fingers. Keeping my jaw relaxed intentionally because it's not a natural thing. All right. So we'll just take one last peek. See my van at the sunset. Isn't that so pretty? Sunset from Ott's Park. This is only a 6-minute video, so I'm going to do a little scan here so you can see the prettiness. Sunset. Have a beautiful night, everybody. I hope you could hear me.